All right, guys, we're loaded up. We just took our first stop on the mountain. We got about 2.5 more hours to go before we're at the property. Taking the Razor, got everything loaded up. We're gonna stay for 3 days and go for a good ride. So should be a fun trip. So watch along, guys. Have fun.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for Should I stop where I'm falling for me? As your world starts spinning, is your head spinning too? Should I stop where I'm falling for me? As your world starts spinning, is your head spinning Heart stopped when I first saw you. The world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop where I'm falling for?
That's a pretty big one. Where'd you find it?
Over there. By
Show
that
me.
log.
So we just did a pretty good ride. Found some mud, found a few hills, little rock climbs here and there. But just beautiful scenery up here, just cruising the roads. This time of year, it's open to on-snow vehicles only, so snowmobiles and ATVs, four-wheelers. But there's no snow. And there's no traffic up here, and it's just an awesome time to come. Just having a blast, good time, really awesome area, loving it. And the Razor, she's a little dirty right now, but having a good time. So we're gonna head back to camp and cook up some dinner here in a little bit.
The
So should be
world
fun.
stops spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop where I'm falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too?
It was a great trip, a lot of fun. Just had a blast. Weather was awesome. Razor ran great. So yeah, until next time, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share, follow, all the good stuff. So, all right, thanks guys.